websites that will pay you to work. Probably they pay you hourly, or they pay you as a form of a monthly earning or salary. And beautiful people, welcome back to the screen of my phone. Like you all know, I love showing you guys how to make money using the phone, because a desktop or a laptop is not something you can move around with, but a mobile phone is something you can move around with. So this is my Chrome browser. I've opened my Chrome browser. So guys, I said I will be showing you guys how to make money online easily. This video is all about the lazy way to make money online, like the laziest way to make money. So let me show you guys proof first before I show you guys the name of the website itself. The website is already opened on my phone, so I just want to show you guys, okay, how much they earn on this website. Like if you become a member of this website, how much you can earn. Well, on this website you set your price yourself, like you set your own amount yourself. Like this particular black lady, as you can see, this lady is black, so it means it accepts people of any color, different colors from all races. In fact, it accepts members worldwide. As you can see, this black lady, goodness, she earns $10. This black guy, best friend, he earns $15. This lady as well, she earns $10. This black guy as well, he earns, I think, $20, right? So guys, there is no limit to how much you can earn on this website. This particular person, the wellness center, earns 150 to $240. Can you see? Look at it, oh, 150 to $240. So you can set your prices yourself. This website, you can set your prices yourself on this website. So guys, if you like this video, if you're getting content from this video, please endeavor to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, and please share our videos as well. So the name of this website, now I'll be showing you guys. Let me just back it so you guys will see the name of the website. The name of this website is Friend PC. Yeah, Friend PC. So when you click on your Chrome browser, when you open your Chrome browser, you type Friend PC, FRIEND PC. So the first link or the first website it will come up with is the first one you will click, friendpc.com. But then again, let's see something under this place. It says results for Nigeria, as you can see, so it definitely works with Nigerians. So yeah, so this is how the website will open up. This is how it will look. This is in its mobile phone site, like mobile phone this thing. So what it says is Friend PC, book a virtual friend. Friend PC is actually a friend zone where you can book virtual friends, like people, even if you don't know them, probably because there are a lot of lonely people out there. There are a lot of people without friends. People will feel, well, I need someone I can talk to, but because I don't have a friend, they'll just come on this website, book your service here, and you guys will talk and chat, and that's just all. You understand? So Friend PC, what you'll be doing on this website is just to chat with people. As long as you can chat with your friend, your sister, your girlfriend, your boyfriend, you can chat with your husband, your wife, anybody at all. You understand? Be it on WhatsApp, on Facebook, on Instagram. As long as you can reply DMs or you can reply chats, you're good to go. Like I said, this is like a lazy man's kind of job, because it's virtually nothing. Like you earn money lying down, you earn money replying to chat. So let's take a look at this particular lady here, for example. And you have to have a catchy title as well. So as we're going up, you'll be seeing everybody's title and pricing and all of that and what they're saying. So you need a write-up to attract someone to book you. You understand? You need a write-up on this website to attract someone to book you, and you need a catchy title as well. So let's take a look at this particular lady here. She says the title is "Where is my boyfriend?" and she charges between $10 to $60. As you can see, this "Where is my boyfriend" is just, I think she's just like someone that you can go to, probably if your heart broken, probably a guy breaks your heart, or a lady breaks your heart. You can come to her, share your experience, say, "Hello, my name is Rose. I like deep, liberal, and alternative conversations. Good company. I am very cheerful, affectionate, fiery, and empathic." All this English. See, as long as you know how to read and write, you can sign up on this website. You understand? Now, what is Friend PC? Friend PC aims to help people make friends, find someone to accompany you somewhere, or help you reach a goal. So definitely, they don't only meet people here for the purpose of being friends alone. You can probably set a goal for yourself, and if you feel like you can't do it alone, you can come here and look for someone to chat with, and maybe the person will help you along the line with your goal. You understand? So that is what we'll be doing on this website. We'll be the friend you are coming to look for. You understand? So not only do we provide an opportunity for our subscribers on Friend PC to meet friends, but we created a platform for virtual friends to earn extra cash by posting friendship booking services. You understand? We are using the platform now. This is what they do. They provide their platform for us to post our services. So book out your talent for people and travelers searching for a unique experience. Now, you might have probably traveled to somewhere and someone is just going to the same place you have traveled to. So the person might at the same time come up here to book you, probably to share your experience with him or her. Okay, oh, this place, have you been there? If you have been there, okay, what's happening there? What can I do there? Or the person is traveling to your own country. Probably you are in the States now and someone is coming from, maybe, United States. So someone is coming from maybe India or Pakistan or Ukraine or Russia or somewhere like that. You understand? So the person can come here to book you based on you are in the States. Now the person will ask you, okay, which part of the state are you? Okay, and it is the same place I want to visit. Now, can you tell me more about it? Or when I visit, please, where and where can I visit? Like, where and where can I go to catch fun, to see people, to meet people, to see, all those things. So you can tell travelers, share your experience with travelers. Or if someone is already in a particular country, you understand, the person can just come right there and look for a friend that is also in that country and chat with that friend. So basically that is what they offer. You understand? So here it says whether you want to book a virtual friend or become a virtual friend, Friend PC offers it all. Find someone to build a companionship with, life coach services, or give you a tour around the city you are visiting. As you can see, I said it. So you, in fact, you not only chat with the person, you can at the same time meet up with the person. So the person will eventually give you a tour around that city. So after browse friends, guys, please stay with me to the end of this video, because I'm going to show you an extra way on this same website that you can use to earn more money. You understand? You can also use that idea that I want to show you at the end of this video to also earn money. So let's see the friends that are available according to your services. I think you'll be ranking higher according to your services. So this particular person, sweet cuteness. Now please, if it means you getting a paper and pen, you understand, to just write out a brief bio or intro about you, come to the website Friend PC, go through their friends list, go through what people are writing about themselves, go through what is catching people's attention, and then you try and recreate it. So it says, hey there, I'm ready to listen to your problems and listen to you talk about your day. I can also recommend you movies and musics. Now, this particular person can recommend movies and music. So if I'm the one looking for a friend, I'll definitely be looking for a friend that can probably recommend something for me to, keep myself busy with, even after chatting with him or her. And the person charges $30. So the next person is me friend. This me friend charges $3. Probably this person is a newcomer, or probably this person just feel like, okay, let me bring my price down so I'll make more friends. We go through a lot as humans, and I'm here to devote my time and keep you company, just to make you feel loved and comfortable. So the next person is $5. Chat friend, virtual girlfriend, $5. The wellness center, 150 to $240. So this wellness center is kind of on the high side, you understand. But then again, on this website, you can charge as high as low as high or as low as you want it. So we have Goodness here. Goodness is charging $10. Hey, I'm friendly and kind. Do you want to share that problem? Just know I'm always available to listen. So you need to choose a catchy caption. The next one is $15. Best friend, any title you like. Okay, 20 to $100. Up for good talks and hot stuffs, fun and everything continue. So this particular person is charging 20 to $100. So this fresh graduate training is charging $10. Well, I cannot say much about all these people, because as long as you're pricing it yourself, you can charge as high as you want or as low as you want it. You click on become an affiliate. So becoming an affiliate on their website enables you to earn more money. Like, if you're an affiliate on their website, affiliate like someone that brings in more people, or someone that brings in people to sell, for them to sell their services to. Once they sell their services to them and payment is being made, you get paid. So now this is what affiliate dashboard is. So it says become an ambassador affiliate. So what do they have for an ambassador affiliate? Become an ambassador for Friend PC by sharing generated links from this website and earn a 10% commission off every purchase from it. So you become an ambassador by signing up on this website, and you get paid 10% of whatever anybody you're bringing buys, or whatever they pay for. You understand? You get paid 10%. If they buy something of $100, you get paid 10%. Like, that's $10, I guess. So this one is says register your name, your last name, your email, your payment email address. That's any account you wish to drop, maybe PayPal or Payoneer, any means of payment. That any means of payment that you wish to drop must have a Gmail, as in an email, must have an email. So you're dropping that particular email here on their website. So the only thing you do is to click on register. Now you have registered as an affiliate. You understand? You have registered as an affiliate. So please, while registering, please do not disclose your real name or surname or something like that, or any other bank details or address, just to be on the safe side. You understand? Because there are a lot of sites online that you can probably get a cyber friend from. So they have a lot of things, just to avoid, all this story that touches the heart. You understand? Also, you can also visit other sites. I said I'll tell you guys one thing. You can also visit other sites like Rent a Friend, Fiverr, Rent a Local Friend, Rent Cyber Friend, Seeking Arrangement. Although that Seeking Arrangement somehow has to do with this sugar daddy, this hookup but then again, that Seeking Arrangement, I really think is for those based abroad. I'm not sure of that, but I think that one also works. So please, let's be careful while signing up on this website. And if you're chatting, please try not to fall in love, because this is strictly business. You understand? This is strictly business, and you don't really know who you're chatting with. So be careful with your details.